Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Audible subscription on an iPad. Depending on how you signed up for Audible, there are two different ways to cancel, either through Apple if you subscribed via Apple Payments, or directly through the Audible website if you used Amazon. I'll walk you through both methods so you can easily manage your subscription. Let's start with canceling through Apple, which is what you'll need to do if you subscribe to Audible directly on your iPad using Apple Payments. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. At the top of the screen, you'll see your name. Tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. From there, look for and tap on the Subscriptions option. This is where all your active subscriptions are listed. Scroll through the list until you find Audible and tap on it. You'll see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and tap that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Once you confirm, your Audible subscription will be canceled, and it will stop renewing through Apple Payments. If you didn't subscribe through Apple, you'll need to cancel directly through Audible's website. You can do this on your iPad or any other device with a web browser. Open Safari or your preferred browser and go to the Audible website. Log into your account, and once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details. Scroll down until you see the Cancel Membership option under the Membership Details section. Tap on it, and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Once you've completed these steps, your Audible membership will be canceled. And that's how you cancel your Audible subscription on an iPad, whether you signed up through Apple Payments or directly on the Audible website. It's a straightforward process, but it's good to know which method applies to your situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and guides. See you later.